Hey y'all. So today I am gonna make something that's really quick, but it's also something that's very tasty. This is a dish that when you're having company coming over and you're like, oh, I wanna offer them something, but I don't know what to make them really quick, this is that. It will be meatball parmesan garlic bread. Now let's get into it. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna use the Cook Perfect brand Angus meatballs. Now, let me stop y'all now. Don't come for me. Yes, I can make meatballs from scratch, but the whole purpose of this meal is to make something quick. So these are fully cooked. All you have to do is heat them, and they're delicious. They're really, really good. So I'm gonna use this entire bag. I'm also gonna use a jar, yes, a jar or spaghetti sauce. So just pour these in the pot. Then I'm gonna use the 3 cheese Prego. Pour that right in. And I have my oven heat 350 for the garlic bread. So while this is warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on the garlic bread. Okay, so I'm gonna use 2 of these loaves of Italian bread. All right, I'm gonna cut them in half so we can get started. Okay, so we're gonna go and just cut this right in half. Just like that. And we're gonna get to buttering these babies up. And I have 2 that I'm gonna use. Now you can actually make a butter, but remember the purpose of this video is for a quick, easy, simple recipe. Make sure you have the butter all over the bread. All right, we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. And I will leave the recipe in the description below. Some salt. Okay, some Italian seasoning. Some parsley. I'm gonna place these in the oven just to let them get a little toasty. So maybe about 8 to 10 minutes and we'll assemble them. Okay, so while the bread is toasting, I'm gonna check on the meatballs. And they are warmed all the way through, so these are ready. Look how yummy. Okay, and I'm gonna use a block of polio mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna shred it. Okay, now that the cheese is shredded, I'm gonna set this aside. All right, so I'm just cutting the meatballs into 3 pieces. Just like that. Okay, so this is how the meatballs should look once you cut them up. All right, let's get the bread and assemble it. Okay, so the bread should be nice and toasty like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce directly to the bread. Now you just want to add meatballs all over. All right, just like that. Sorry guys, my phone died. Now you want to add the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so now you want to add some shredded Parmesan cheese. Some more Italian seasoning. Some parsley. A little garlic powder. And it should look like this. Place in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meatball Parmesan. Now let's slice this baby up and give it a little taste test. Ooh. Okay, so now for the taste test. Oh, have a bite, have a bite. You want it from this end or the middle with the cheese, all the meatballs. This is delicious. Mm, 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 mm. Baby, your guests are on the way, and your guests will be very happy. Okay? This is everything. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, what other topping do you think would be a good topping on some garlic bread? Leave me a comment below and let me know. But this right here, ooh wee, ooh wee, yes. Mmm, cheesy meatballs, Italian seasoning. Mmm, mm. This is so good. Mmm, mm, mm, mm. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you try this bread. You won't be disappointed. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it out. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and feel generous and hit that button. Until next time, guys,